One-step hair dryer is a professional solo hot air brush. It helps you make different hairstyles quickly. You could change the head brush quickly for various functions. It has an air volume control switch and a temperature control switch. You can achieve the low wind and gale wind control with the air volume control switch. With the temperature control switch, you can achieve cold air switching between 135 degrees Fahrenheit and 410 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the perfect design that you can control the wind and temperature. Don't worry about the temperature being too high so that you're damaging your hair. With a large head brush and thick mane, your hair will get a bigger contact area. It can shape your hair by using intermediate air volume and high temperature gear. 3 million per cubic centimeter of highly concentration and non-generator will reduce hair splitting and dryness, protect your hair effectively. Double protection switch circuit design, safe and reliable. Ergonomic design, simple and stylish appearance.